round 5, 4 chain, count as first double crochet and chain 1, 3 and 4. Now we want to make a front post double crochet into here. Let me show you. Into 5 chain space of round 3 here. So we want to work here. A front post double crochet here, chain 1, another front post double crochet into same place here again, chain 1. Now we had 5 double crochet here, top of second and third one and fourth one. We want to make a slip stitch, so here, here and here, slip stitch, another slip stitch and another slip stitch, 3 slip stitch. Now chain 1. Again we want to make front post double crochet here into this place, chain 1, another front post double crochet into same place, and chain 1. We had a single crochet here. Here it was a single crochet. This single crochet here, a double crochet top of this single crochet, and chain 1. Now here we have 4 double crochet, 2 front post double crochet around the first one, 1 and 2, I don't crochet next one, we don't crochet here, top of next here we make 1 front post double crochet, so don't crochet this and go for this, a front post double crochet around next. Now here we have totally 6 back post double crochet around 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We want to make front post double crochet, so 1 front post double crochet, another front post double crochet, and another front post double crochet around next, and another front post double crochet around next. Now here we have 2 back posts. We want to make 2 front post double crochet around each of them, 1, 2 and 2 around next, 1 and 2, chain 1. Here we have totally 8 front post double crochet. From this chain 1 to this chain 1, we want to make 2 front post double crochet around the first, 1 front post around next, then 2 front post around next, then 1 front post, 2 front post, 1 front post, 2 and 1. So 1 and 2 front post double crochet around the first one, a front post double crochet around the next, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2, 1 front post double crochet around the next, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 front post double crochet around next, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 front post double crochet around next, chain 1, here repeat here, 2 front post double crochet around first back post, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 1 front post double crochet around next, 1 front post double crochet around next, front post double crochet around next, and front post double crochet around next. Here we had 4 front post double crochet, 1 front post double crochet around first one, a front post double crochet around next, we don't crochet this one, and for this one we make 2 front post double crochet here, one and 2, now chain 1, now we want to make a slip stitch, top of very first double crochet, top of this 3 chain, 1 2 3, into this chain we make a slip stitch, and round 5 finish, round 6 we make 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 and 5, 3 chain count as first double crochet, 2 chain space, then we want to make a front post half double crochet around the first front post, so like this, chain 1, a half double crochet around the next, and chain 1, then here we want to make a slip stitch top of each slip stitch, so we had 3 slip stitch, one, another one, top of next, and another one, top of next, three slip stitch here, chain one, now here we make a front post half double crochet around the first one, chain one, a front post half double crochet around the second one, and here 2 chain, a double crochet, top of this double crochet here, behind of this, behind of 2 we had a double crochet, make a double crochet, and chain one. Here we have 4 front post double crochet, around the first one we make 2 front post double crochet, so 1 and again 2, we don't crochet second one and we go for next, we make 1 front post double crochet, around next we make 1 front post double crochet, now here we make front post double crochet around next, front post double crochet around next, now 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1 and 2, chain 1. Here we have 3 front post double crochet left, around the first one we don't make anything, top of next we make a double crochet, chain 1, we don't crochet top of this, and into chain 1 space we make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here from this 1 chain space to this 1 chain space, 2 front post double crochet around the first one, we don't crochet second one, and third one 1 front post double crochet, again 3 of this, 2 front post, we don't crochet, 1 front post, 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, we don't crochet, next, and we go for next, so we don't crochet this one and we go for next, 1 front post double crochet, again 2 front post double crochet, then we don't crochet this, 1 front post, 2 front post, we don't crochet, 1 front post, so 2 front post double crochet around here, and we don't crochet here, and next one front post, 2 front post double crochet around this, 1 and 2, then we don't crochet here, and we go for this, 1 front post double crochet like this, then we make 4 double crochet into chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't crochet first one, and we go for next, we make a double crochet top of this one, we make a double crochet, so I don't crochet first one, and second one I make a double crochet. Chain 1, again I don't crochet first one, and second one, 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2, 2 front post double crochet around the next, 1 and 2. Here top of these 4 we make 1 front post top of each, 1 front post double crochet, another one around next, 1 front post double crochet around next, and 1 front post double crochet around next. Here we don't crochet this one, and I go for this, 2 front post double crochet around this, 1 and 2, chain 1, we slip stitch top of first double crochet. We had 5 chain, top of 3 chain, 1 2 3, here we make a slip stitch, round 6, finish,